What if the washing machine sitting in your home right now is quietly costing you hundreds of dollars more than it should? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best efficient washing machines that help save time, energy, and money while delivering impressive cleaning performance. Stick around because the number 1 pick may completely change how you think about laundry. And as always, you'll find links to every model down in the description below. Now let's move at number 5. We have the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet. Laundry has a strange way of piling up when life gets busy. One day it's a few shirts. The next, it's overflowing baskets, stained towels, sports uniforms, and enough clothes to make the task feel endless. That's exactly the situation where the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet begins to prove its value. What immediately stands out isn't just its capacity. It's the way it attacks the real frustrations people deal with every week. The result is something you notice the moment the cycle finishes. Clothes look cleaner, fabrics feel refreshed, and those heavily worn items don't seem quite as hopeless anymore. With 10 wash cycles available, this machine adapts to a wide variety of laundry situations. Delicate garments, everyday clothing, towels, heavily soiled items. Instead of forcing everything through the same routine, you can tailor the wash to the fabric. Compared to many basic top-load machines that offer fewer customization options, the Kenmore gives users more control over how their laundry is treated. Add cold clean technology, intuitive operation, and a soft, close lid. And suddenly laundry feels less like a chore and more like a streamlined part of your routine. Coming up next at number 4 is the Auertech 28LBs. Living in a smaller space often means making compromises. You compromise on storage. You compromise on furniture. And sometimes you compromise on appliances, but laundry shouldn't have to be one of those compromises. That's where the Auertech 28LBs enters the conversation. Designed specifically for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and compact homes, this machine focuses on delivering meaningful washing performance without demanding excessive space. It's the type of appliance that quietly fits into your lifestyle rather than forcing your lifestyle to adapt around it. The full automatic design immediately removes a lot of the effort associated with laundry day. The 400-watt motor, paired with a 1600 RPM spin speed, helps deliver strong washing action while extracting more water during the spin cycle. That means clothes spend less time dripping wet and more time moving toward being ready to wear. Busy households will also appreciate the 24-hour delay feature. Sometimes convenience isn't about cleaning faster. It's about cleaning on your own schedule. Compared to larger traditional washers, this machine obviously prioritizes portability and space efficiency. Families handling extremely large weekly loads may prefer a bigger unit, but for compact living situations, the trade-off makes perfect sense. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Kenmore Metallic Silver. There are few things more frustrating than pulling freshly washed clothes from the machine only to discover the stain is still there. You washed it, you spent the time, yet somehow the problem remains. That's exactly the kind of situation this Kenmore model was built to address. What separates it from many competing washers is its ability to combine serious cleaning power with meaningful efficiency. Instead of asking users to choose between performance and lower operating costs, it attempts to deliver both. The steam treat option plays a major role in that experience. Then, their speed. Small loads can move through the express wash cycle in as little as 25 minutes. Meanwhile, AcceloWash helps larger loads finish faster, reducing the amount of time laundry occupies your day. With 12 wash cycles and multiple temperature selections, this washer adapts easily to everything from children's clothing to delicate fabrics that require extra care. Compared to many standard front-load washers. The Kenmore Metallic Silver offers more advanced stain treatment options and greater flexibility. The extra features do create a slightly larger learning curve, but they also provide more control over the final result. Coming in at number 2 is Nictemaw 2.8 cubic feet. Not everyone has a dedicated laundry room. For many people, laundry happens in apartments, small homes, dormitories, RVs, or spaces where every square foot matters. And finding a machine that balances size with capability can feel surprisingly difficult. That's why the Nictemaw 2.8 cubic feet earns its place near the top of today's list. At first glance, its compact footprint grabs attention. But the real story begins once the machine starts working. The powerful motor generates impressive washing performance while helping remove up to 90% of water during the spin cycle. That means clothes emerge cleaner and significantly less saturated, helping reduce drying times afterward. Small detail, big impact. Flexibility is another area where this washer shines. Its 20-pound capacity strikes an effective balance between portability and usefulness. Compared with ultra-compact portable machines, it offers more room for clothing while still remaining suitable for limited living spaces. Larger households may eventually want more capacity, but for many apartment dwellers, students, travelers, and small families, the Nictemaw feels remarkably well-rounded. Taking the top spot is Giantex Portable. Sometimes the most valuable appliance in your home isn't the biggest one. It's the one that quietly makes everyday life easier. That's exactly the role the Giantex Portable washer was designed to play. For people living in apartments, dormitories, condos, RVs, or smaller homes, traditional washing machines often feel oversized, inconvenient, and difficult to accommodate. Yet relying on shared laundry facilities creates a different set of frustrations altogether. The Giantex offers a refreshing middle ground. Its compact design makes placement surprisingly easy, fitting into spaces where larger machines simply wouldn't work. Yet despite its smaller footprint, it still provides a fully automatic experience that removes much of the effort from laundry day. Select your preferred settings. Start the cycle. Then move on with your day. That simple convenience becomes surprisingly addictive. The 6 washing programs and adjustable water levels allow different clothing types to receive appropriate treatment, while the built-in drain pump simplifies water removal. Compared with larger portable washers, its 8-pound capacity naturally means bigger households may need additional cycles. But for students, singles, couples, and smaller families, the trade-off often feels worthwhile because of the space savings and simplicity. After comparing cleaning performance, efficiency, convenience, capacity, and long-term value, the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet emerges as the overall winner. While every machine on today's list serves a specific audience exceptionally well, the Kenmore delivers the strongest balance of features for the widest range of households. Its spacious drum helps reduce the number of loads required each week. Steam Treat provides additional stain-fighting capability when everyday washing isn't enough. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best efficient washing machines. You'll find links to every model featured in today's video down below in the description. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more expert product rankings and buying guides. Because the smartest appliance isn't always the one that works harder, it's the one that helps you live easier.